What's your name?
Felix.
Okay. What's your name? What's your name?
You know me. Okay, Owen.
What's my name? Larry. What's your name?
Can we just stop being silly?
I'm not being silly.
Yes, you are.
We're
You
getting to know
our
each
names.
other.
I don't know.
Well, I actually don't know your guys' names. I do know your name and your name, but I don't know. Sorry, guys.
I just said Ollie and Felix.
Life, just like, so make it about us, like, just like show our lives.
That's a good idea.
Like, just, we're not supposed to act, just like show our lives, just actually be yourself.
Marcel Michelle and the search for a family reunited. Marcel, how long has it been since you've seen your family?
I couldn't tell you.
Marcel Michelle with shoes on. You're beautiful.
There must be so many others like me.
So is that like the thing that we're gonna build around on?
Yeah.
Well, we can't get a shell with shoes on. There isn't.
I've got a shell. I've got a shell. This is my shell.
That's not what I
Very
meant.
funny show.
Yeah, very funny. Like about this part about like
sad?
Being sarcastic.
Alright, so I'm making like a little documentary.
Oh, it's
It's
a
like-
movie, but nobody has any lines, and nobody even knows what it is while they're making it.
Mm.
Oh, that's a good idea.
so that's what I meant by building around.
So that's what we're gonna do.
Yes. Yes.
I think about monsters. Like I literally think about monsters because it's so dark.
I don't like World Wars, so that's what I always try to stop myself.
I think about my house exploding.
yeah.
It's so scary.
I think Yeah. about school the next day and how I don't want to go. That's Saturday.
No,
or
no,
Friday.
because I'm like when I go, I try not to think of anything, and I think of anything.
I think about.
Like
If you just tell your brain not to do something, it will eventually do that.
yeah, but like eventually,
I
2 hours later.
Yeah, but if you said like I don't want to think about this, then it might just keep thinking.
Okay.
If
so,
if I tell you right now, do not think about yourself. What are you going to think about?
Okay, think for myself.
Like, don't think about a big red button.
Yeah,
Thinking about it.
everyone's thinking about Big Red Button now.
Oh my god.
Their mind.
No, it's because like
Yeah, it's basically like every single like book or whatever. There's always like a big red button, but they don't know what.
no,
it's for.
because like
And in the end, they press it, and then it's just like rainbows and unicorns and
Or a
colours.
picture.
So I always think. So imagine I think of you wearing a tutu. What? No, I imagine it, and I'm like, my brain, I say,
That
my
is-
brain, stop, it disappears, it reappears.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no, but
So-
now that you said it,
so
it's made me think about it now.
Yeah, now everyone's thinking about people being in tutus all the time.
Now I think of the ballerina, now I stop thinking, but now it appears again, so.
It's irritating.
Like I mean, if I told, if a
Can we
teacher
stop
told you,
talking about this? Because now it's just, my brain is just filled with that.
don't think about the charger. Don't think about that charger.
We're going
So
down.
I have an idea. Think about the charger.
Okay. I can still see in my mind.
That's not working. It's not working.
Have you ever had a nightmare?
No, yeah.
I've had a nightmare before. I was really young. You know, so like the Highway Rat, that like book by
Yeah.
Julia Tilden.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
like 100% a rip-off
I
of
have-
the Highwayman.
I'm
Well, basically, I had a nightmare when I was really young of the
I have
Highwayman
weird
eating
nightmares.
cookies, and that was it.
I have weird nightmares, like someone friending me in real life.
I had a nightmare where
You know how like it says unfriend, right? And like someone random was just like unfriending me in real life.
I had a
Probably.
nightmare where I was in the monster apocalypse where all the
That
monsters
just
were,
sounds scary.
yeah, it was in like zombie. There were
Oh my
monsters
God.
were like zombies and stuff.
I just have
No,
like
I
just
think
I have nightmares.
dreams.
Basically,
I don't dream. I think dream.
I'm just
I think
but I'm
while I close my eyes, that doesn't count as sleeping. That's what I try. That's what I think counts as sleeping. So steep. It's so steep. It's like I'm climbing a mountain.
Interview.
Hello.
Welcome to the news. Please can you tell us about your
I'm fine. Can I have one? Oh, there's loads over here. There's some here. Yes, 3! 2. No. Oh, 3! 3!
Why? How are you finding so much?
No, only one. They're everywhere. Like, what?
What's not that?
Like the thing's written in the news lap when the map comes up. I need to write something in the side.
What's that? Guys, I found an old broom. An old broom.
Shall we wash it off?
Yeah.
This is a riddle.
This is a riddle. What? The more you take away, it becomes bigger. What is it? The more you take away, it becomes bigger.
Each more Big Mac becomes bigger.
What is it?
Guys, we have washed it off. Wait, can we put this broom in here?
I've been digging.
Let the
rocks
coronation
since
begin.
I was 8.
We hereby coronate the random broom. Why? Because who knows?
I've been a rock. Bye. 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 You are loved. For about 2 seconds. This is mine. That's my room. That's mine. That's mine.
Hey, I've got an idea. Let's make a gravestone. Where did we get that? Gary the Witch.
That's not mine.
Let's say 1 minute to 2 minutes. That was his lifespan. 1 to 2.
This was the burial site.
Let's name him Bob. Can we throw it? No, this is his burial stone.